Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you yet another command that helps us to manipulate files. And the command we are going to learn about is a command that is going to help us to delete files. And on most operating systems, the distinctions between files and folders are not so big. And so most of these commands works on both files and folders. So here I'm going to show you how you can delete the poem.txt or any file that you have using the command prompt. And the name of the command is del, which stands for delete, and it follows the file name that you want to delete. Okay, and mind you, every file name has to be the full file name, and I mean including the extension. Okay, so when I press enter, you can see that the poem.txt that was on the desktop, it was here, it is now gone because I have deleted it. So that is it about a simple way of deleting files from the command prompt. Thank you very much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video where I show you how you can copy files using the command prompt.